GSG presents White Ink Wednesday.
I'm Mark Suadonik, Textile Applications Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today in the Applications Lab, we're going to go over a few techniques on printing on fleece. With the holidays coming and fall and the cooler weather, hoodies are going to be one of the #1 things coming out of your shop. What we're going to do, instead of using a white underbase for this design, in a previous episode, we recycled some of our old ink that was on our shelves and we recycled it into a kind of off gray color. We're going to use this for our underbase. When printing on fleece, one of the biggest problems that people run into is the fibers coming up through your ink or through your underbase. So the way to avoid that, even though we're using this recycled gray, doesn't matter if you're using white, red, black, whatever your ink color, is we're going with a 195 mesh screen. The higher the mesh count, the less ink deposit's going to go down, and we're going to have less of a temptation for those fibers to get pulled up through the ink. If you're using a low mesh count and you're putting a heavy deposit, it's going to want to pull those fibers up, and it's not going to give you a smooth underbase. Now after flashing, we end up with a really nice smooth underbase on our hoodie. We're going to go ahead and print our top colors, and each one of these, except for the last screen, are going to be a 230 mesh. And our last screen is actually going to be an 83 mesh because we're going to overprint it with International Coatings Cosmic Crystals. Before we do our last screen with the Cosmic Crystals, we're going to go ahead and flash our other colors so we don't pick up any of the ink in that screen. Now that we have our hoodie printed, it's off into the dryer for curing. There you have it, a nice 5-color design on a hooded sweatshirt using our old ink inventory that was on the shelf, recycled into a gray to use as the underbase. And you can see we still get a really nice bright white, nice red, and nice sienna brown. For more tips and information on screen printing, visit gogsg.com, follow us on social media, and we'll see you next time.